even to handle it, it is an issue because it's so much. Okay, we're gonna be doing the headrest. Since we cannot take the covers off these ones, they're molded. I'm gonna put some nylon on top. And then we're gonna squish them and get it inside our cover. There is one. You just check your alignment that is right in the stitches. And then you do the clip. And this is just the two front. The rear is gonna be postponed because we find acid in the vehicle, so we cannot do nothing for the rear. I'll continue with the peeling of the upholstery in the next video.